Okay, so today we are testing out the Lulu Peach Smart Weighted Fitness Hoop. Okay, so let's open it up and see what's in here. Okay, and it comes in little sections. It also has a little manual. Okay, here we go. Here's a little fitness ball. It also has a timer, it looks like. So let's put this together. And it looks like they just clip in. Yep. Okay, this seems pretty big. So we will see if this works. And this just slides in. And as you can see, you would just clip this last part. So let's see how that goes around my waist. Okay, I think, yeah, because I couldn't take out a piece. So this is good. Let's turn you here. And this does seem to move around. Let's see if it can. It has an off-on button. Okay, let's try it out. Let's see, does it say? Okay, and you can push off on and it will start the timer. Oh, wait. Let's try this again. Okay, well because I guess this is kind of small. I mean, kind of large for my hip. I'm guessing it would need to kind of be tighter, but let's try this. Hold on, let's see how easy this is. It doesn't seem like it's, it's not working. Okay, let's try it again. Let's try to take some of these parts out. Hold on. Does it snap out easy? It's not snapping out easy. So that's a... I should let my husband try it?
Yes.
Because am I not doing it right?
I got no tips.
He says because he hasn't... Oh, so I take that back. You can actually take individual pieces off. So that's user error on my part. Okay, so let's take some of these little pieces off. So pro tip, make sure it fits around your waist. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try it again. We're gonna just slide this in here. Okay, here we go. Let's try it again. Okay, let's try it again. This time it's snug. I removed 3 pieces, so this should work. Let's see if I'm coordinated enough. Let's restart. It has a reset button. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, this is a lot better, right? Now this is a lot better. So the important thing is to make sure that this hoop is snug to your body. So that was completely my mistake. And you can adjust it. You saw how big it was able to get. I'm gonna have my husband also try it. So that should be fun. Let's see. He will probably need a couple more pieces.
Right now? For real? I'm gonna need a couple more pieces.
Yes, because he's gonna need a couple more pieces, right? Oh, wait. Oh, it's like a hook system, so you gotta be careful. Let's see. How many more pieces will he need? Just one?
One. Couple more.
And see, it just came out really easy. Snap.
I got it.
Snap it in place. Snug. And let's go.
Wait, reset. I don't want your stuff.
So it's just a timer. It's not a counter.
Oh, dang. So that you want to make sure that it's on there all the way, because that could have broke something. All right, let's try this again.
Okay, let's go. Snapped. Everything snapped into place. Okay, let's go.
So hold on, reset. Yep. Look, hi. Oh, get it started. Oh, there it is.
The speed of the hula hoop should not be too fast. Keep stable and uniform movement and feel relaxed. It is better to breathe evenly.
God, my heart rate went up to like 80 beats.
So I'll give all of the information about the hula hoop in the info section, and I would give this probably a 5 out of 5. The only thing that could make it better is if it had a counter. That would be great, but otherwise, even just having the timer on there, and you saw just in the few seconds that we've been doing it, it does elevate your heart rate. The ball is weighted. It's a great core workout from what I could tell. And it's pretty simple to do once you have the rhythm down, like my husband. And then another thing that I love, you know, we have on long shirts, but even if you had like a thinner t-shirt or crop top or whatever, these right here, you could see it kind of moves with your body, and it's, you know, like a nice rubber cushion. So you don't have to worry about it hurting or anything like that. Okay, let me know if you try it.